Cameraman here, folks. We gotta do a part 2. This motor would not even hiccup for us. We beat the daylights out of it, okay? As you guys saw in the previous video. We're gonna do, you know what? I'll let Junkman and Stuntman tell you exactly what's gonna happen, folks. Get together, back it up.
This is what's going on. These Hondas have been embarrassing the American car community.
These Honda motors just don't want to die.
What are we doing to it?
We're gonna kill it. This is what we're doing first. We're gonna do this in stages. First stage, it's ice cold. We're gonna do a minute at Redline, ice cold.
Start it up.
Now, keep in mind it's 30 degrees here. It's 30 degrees in New York. The car hasn't been down. Ice cold.
I got the timer.
He's timing it, folks.
$5 grand off the rev limiter.
All right, it's bouncing off the rev limiter, folks. As you can
10
hear.
seconds in. 10 seconds
We're
in.
in 10 seconds already.
Check out the rubber from the other day.
We collect the rubber.
This is the carnage from the other day. 15 seconds.
It sounds better every second. It's unbelievable. The time is going, folks.
25 seconds.
Let's look at what happened to this thing. The whole side of it's full of rubber. Look at this.
40 seconds. 40. 45.
These Hondas, man, I'm telling you. Look. Right there. Is that a full minute?
It's just about. I was never good with clocks.
All right.
Now, we're going to even the scales out a little bit now.
Okay,
Over
okay.
the Japanese counterpart here.
Now, before we go any further, guys, hit that subscribe button. We're going for the million. Everybody knows it. Hit the button.
You wanted to do a shout out, correct, cameraman?
Yeah, well, put the comments in there. You guys, man, we get more comments. I look at these tremendous channels. I'm not knocking anybody's channel. But these comments are insane, man. Hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of comments.
All right, shut up. Fast setting cement patcher. Okay,
Wow.
we got the little bathroom kit.
Are
for
you
the
sure you
housewives.
want to do this to this VTEC engine?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Oh, my goodness.
Where's my scooper?
It's on the roof. I say roof, guys, but on camera I say roof.
Are you a gardener now?
Oh, God. How much should we put in, people? How much?
A lot! Now this shout out
Look, I'm
goes
not-
out, listen to me, goes out to TJ's dad. This was his idea, okay? Thank you for that idea. Keep on watching. He's a steady neutral dropper. Come on, get it in the hole.
Are you getting any in the motor?
Wow.
This is scoop number 3.
I think he said wet cement, but it's going to be wet in about 2 seconds, right, guys?
We're doing a minute at Redline, bouncing off the rev limiter.
I wish I was on that plane, but I'm not. We just get to hear it. Junkman, what do you think?
I want to see this motor blow.
I'm going to tell you something. Oh, wait, what? No way. There's no way in the world.
No, battery.
It's got to be the battery. Hold on a minute. Make sure these connections are... Guys, this is going to be... we may have to take some cement out. Wow. We ain't stopping.
This motor's not going to stop running though.
It's going to go. I know it. I know it's going to go. It's going to scream and it's going to be... Yeah, here he comes. He's going to save the day. He's saving the day, folks.
As always.
Hook it up. All right. Fingers crossed, folks. There we go, folks. Redline it. with the cement. It's all right, Cash. He's cool. He loves this stuff. Who's counting that minute? We're 15 seconds in, folks, and I'm spitting all over my phone. 20 seconds in, folks. This is the sickest cement mixer ever. We may patch up some cracks in the sidewalk after we're done with this. Give us a count. 35 seconds. I'm hearing a little difference in the sound. Listen closely, folks. How much? Oh. What do you think, Junk? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give it one more shot. Stuntman thinks he can get it running. Jump in, stunt. Let's try it. Come on, let's do this. I want to hear this motor squeal, scream. He doesn't give up. We're not quitters, folks. You see, he smokes. He doesn't quit. Come on, guys. Stay with me on this, guys. Come on, man. It's about to go. Look at it. Guys. Come on, folks. I know everyone's at home with their fingers crossed. Oh, it's putting hard.
It's gone. And that's that. There's nothing we can do about it.
There was nothing we could do.
Nothing we can do. Let it go.
Stuntman, we're going to have to call it. We're going to have to call it. Like, comment, subscribe, folks.